Hello guys, welcome you all in our new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Motorola phone of any series. And if you're using Motorola phone of any version and if your phone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and if you had hard resetted or factory data reset of your Moto phone, then after hard reset when you will switch on your phone, you will come to the starting page like this. You will come on this page, and after hard factory data reset, when you will go through all the process, let's check what happened to your Moto phone. Here you have to go through all the process. So here you can see after the hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern and password lock. Whatever you had applied, that will show on your display. Okay, but here you will get another option showing here used by Google account instead. When you will tap on this option, you will come on this page where it will ask your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, what you had applied when your phone was not locked, if you have remember, you can feed your Gmail ID and password and go through the next option. But you can see here, if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, there is not any skip option in this display to bypass this page. So this video is totally dedicated to unlock your FRP of your Motorola phone, and this lock is known as FRP lock. It means you will have to bypass this Gmail ID credential page. So first of all, you will have to reach to the starting page. From here you will have to make some changes in your settings to bypass this FRP lock. First of all, you will have to change your language. From here you have to choose the language English, US. Now after that, you have to come on this emergency call, and here you have to dial a USSD, that is star triple two star double zero star 1286 star triple three and star. After that, finally you have to tap here hash. Now after that, you have to tap on this call option. Now go to the OK. Now after that, you have to go to the back option from here, and from here you have to tap on this start again. Now from here, skip from this page. Now go to the option that is showing here Motorola privacy policy. Now here you have to come on this option, tap on this one. So here you can see it's working. So simply you have to go to the option this page, also this one. Now go to this option. Now in this page you have to go to the supports, product supports. Now this one you have to tap from here. Now after that, you have to come to the option that is showing here tap on this one. Now go to the back. Now after that, you have to simply tap on this. Done. Now go to the back page. From starting, you have to go to the option that is showing here vision settings. In this page you have to tap on this option. Now here tap on this one. Now go to the back. switch off this and done. Now go to the back option, all the settings has been done. Let's check either the FRP has been bypassed or not. So simply again you have to start from the starting page here, skip from here, go to the more, accept and continue. So here you can see now you're getting here a skip option. It means now you need to remember your Gmail ID and password. It means your Moto phone has been FRP unlocked and bypassed your FRP lock. Simply you have to tap on this skip option, skip from here, skip from this page, go to more and accept, OK from this page. Select this, not now, go to the next, skip from this page, tap on this finish, tap anywhere on your display. So here you can see here that your Motorola phone has been completely unlocked and FRP bypassed. And make sure like this video if your Moto phone is also FRP bypassed with this videos. Thank you so much. See you in your next videos.